Hey everybody, it's Annie Thoe, and I'm inviting you to a very special Nature Awareness and Feldenkrais workshop in this year's conference. We're going to be working with songbirds and what they can teach us. In today's time, we need songbird wisdom like nobody's business because songbirds have a higher perspective. They're very connected with the environment and they have the agility to move like that. And so we can learn a lot from these songbirds. They know how to move around, they know how to make nests, they know how to survive. And so in this class, you're going to learn how to use your body and learn from these birds for opening your chest, opening your voice, but also how to move very quickly and then how to calm down really quickly. This is so helpful in today's time when things are moving kind of fast right now. The environment's changing. There's a lot of really tough things happening on so many fronts. We can learn a lot from the resiliency of nature. So please join me this fall in September, and I look forward to having you in class. And this is Annie Thoe. We'll see you soon. Register now.
Oh.